Welcome! If you want Dropbox to back up your photos and videos automatically, you need to make sure the app has the right permissions on your phone. In this quick and updated guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow Dropbox access to your photos and videos, so you never miss a moment. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you manage all the permissions for your apps, including Dropbox. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Apps. Depending on your device, it might also be called App Management or Applications. Tap to open it. Now, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list until you find Dropbox. Once you spot it, tap on Dropbox to open up its settings. Inside the Dropbox settings, look for the option labeled Permissions. This is where you control what Dropbox is allowed to access on your device. Everything from your contacts to your photos and videos. Tap on Permissions, and you'll see a list of features that Dropbox can request access to. Here, find the option for photos and videos. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with a few choices for access. To make sure Dropbox can upload and back up your media, select Allow Photos and Videos Access. This gives Dropbox permission to safely access and store your photos and videos, making them available across all your devices. And that's it. You've now enabled photos and videos access for Dropbox. With this setting turned on, Dropbox can automatically upload your new memories, keep them secure, and free up space on your phone. If you ever want to change this permission, just follow these same steps and adjust the setting anytime. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more easy tech tips.